Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Today, a very important topics which is related to your adolescence period, that is gender sensitizations. At present time, the topic is very important for you guys. So today, I am starting with the importance or the basic needs or the basic definitions of gender sensitizations. Gender sensitizations means which a gender sensitization is one of the basic requirements for the normal development of an individual without being sensitive in the need of a particular age and understanding the opposite genders in some case of acute cases, even him or herself. The need of this sensitivity has been left and realized through time immemorially and in almost all kinds of human existence across the globe. Now, the next point will be, that is importance of gender sensitization. Before it starts, but somehow in the recent time a much stronger need is felt. The realized to talk, the discuss about this sensitivity topic both on a personal and professional front. Now the importance of the gender sensitization. Importance, that is individual need to be more open-minded, rational, unbased in their thoughts and action. The second point will be, is an urgent need to settle in the lane of our orthodox belief that base valuables and aspiration and progressive existence of the both genders. That means you have to be feel sensitivity about you and others, like women genders. The third point about the importance of this, that is better reconciliations of the work and private life for the both of women and men, essentially to gender equality. The next thing will be, there is a need to provide steps to the safeguard of women's safety and for the women to be ensured, which is to be assured measure the not indications of the discriminations against the male population. The next thing which is very important, that is training and awareness, raising in the education setup or workplaces like schools, organizations, educational institutions or other private organizations, which can be eliminate gender-based prejudices and thereafter the change stereotype working culture as regard to the role and the ability of the women and men, including attitudes towards women in leadership positions. The next thing is to be better knowledge and understanding of the gender issue at all levels of society, including communications, activities, role-playing, dramas, documentaries, various and audio-visual aids, which is raised awareness among both stakeholders of the general public. The next important point will be, both the genders need to be take stand at their own level to spot and promote unfulfillment and wellness of their own and opposite gender, so as to overcome any sort of the discriminations of or harassment. Surely both the genders are the creation of nature. Gender are the creation of nature. Now we talk the both type of genders that is developed by the society or in the society based on all above mentioned facts which is constituently affect in the being of putting their direction of creating more sensitive visuality, peacefully society, the transformation value creators, the number of life skill training organization in the district of the Chandigarh, Panchkula, Mohali, working at both organization of institutional level across pan Indias and having trained and consolidated 20,000 plus individuals from the toddler to the professional. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.